Welcome to English Class Channel. Reading Comprehension. Healthy Diet. Struggling with reading comprehension? In this video, we'll help English learners develop the skills needed to understand passages more easily by expanding your vocabulary and training your brain to process information as you read. You will improve comprehension and make reading more enjoyable. Perfect for students, language learners, or anyone looking to strengthen their reading skills. Instructions. Pause the video whenever necessary to review or understand key points. Adjust the playback speed to a pace that's comfortable for you. Take notes to expand your vocabulary range. Rewatch the video as often as possible to improve your reading skills. Listen to my reading, try shadowing along, and then practice reading it out loud on your own. Section 1. Pre-reading. In nutrition, diet is the sum of food that is eaten by a person or another organism. Dietary habits are the usual decisions someone or a culture makes when choosing what foods to eat. A food group is a collection of foods that have nutritional properties or biological classifications that are almost the same. Dairy products are foods that are made from animal milk. Usually they are made from the milk of cows and goats, but they can be made from the milk of other animals as well. Proteins are long-chain molecules built from small units known as amino acids. They are joined with peptide bonds. Convenience food is a type of food. This kind of food has been made so it can save the consumer's time to prepare it. Usually such foods just need to be heated. They are made for a long shelf life so that they can stay in the store for a long time. One thing to remember is that you may have to pay for the convenience as this food is often expensive. A healthy diet or balanced diet is a diet what you eat that contains the right amount of all the food groups. It includes fruits, vegetables, grains, dairy products, and protein. It does not include too much or too little of any kind of food. Eating wrong amounts of food group, whether it be too much or too little, is called an unhealthy diet or an imbalanced diet. A healthy diet is one that includes more foods that come from plants and fewer convenience food. Section 2. Pre-reading. Nutrition provides the cells of an organism with food in a form they can use. Organisms need food to be able to keep their bodies working properly. They also need food to be able to do certain things. A dietitian or dietitian is an expert in food and nutrition. Dietitians help promote good health through proper eating. They often write custom diets for people in a medical setting. They can give food supplements for those people who cannot get what they need because of swelling problems. Lifestyle is the way of life of person, group, or culture. The term lifestyle was used for the first time by Australian psychologist Alfred Adler. What is known about nutrition and diet keeps changing as more is learned. However, basic nutrition remains much the same. The best advice is to talk to a doctor or dietitian for personalized information based on individuals' lifestyle, health, and food likes and dislikes. Section 3. Pre-reading. A guideline is a formal suggestion about how something should be done, but it is not a rule. If you are a new driver, you should try to follow these basic safety guidelines. A supermarket, grocery store, or just grocery is a retail store that sells food. Most grocery stores sell fresh fruit, vegetables, seafood, meat, and other prepared foods. Basic nutrition begins with a diet based on the major food groups that includes vegetables, whole grains, and dairy products. It should also have lean protein, such as beans, legumes, nuts, and seeds, plus healthy fats. A basic nutrition plan should include guidelines for how much food from each group to eat. Foods should be those that can be found in local grocery stores instead of specialty and gourmet food stores. Section 4. Budget is the money to be spent on a project or by a person or organization in a time period. It usually lists the various things that are to be done and how much to spend on each. Soft drinks, also known as pop, soda, tonic, soda pop, fizzy drinks, or minerals, are fizzy drinks made from concentrates and sugar. When they are made, carbon dioxide gas is added, which makes them fizzy. Energy drinks are beverages whose producers say they can boost energy. This claim has to do with vitamins and stimulants in these drinks. Sports drinks, also known as electrolyte drinks, are sold with the claim that they help athletes replace water, electrolytes, and energy before, during, and especially after training or competition. There isn't good evidence that they help sports and fitness performance. A basic food plan should be based on an individual's budget, lifestyle, and healthy preferences. Drink plenty of water. Drink full soft drinks, energy drinks, and sport drinks, which usually have sugar. Read the food labels to see what is in the foods. For example, labels usually show what foods are lower in sodium, such as in soup, bread, and frozen meals. Section 5. Pre-reading. Seafood is food made from fish or other sea animals, such as shrimp and lobsters. The harvesting, collecting of seafood is called fishing. Seafood stall. Bolton Market seafood is rich in protein and is usually thought as healthy food. The energy of an object is its capability of producing a force that can do work, as well as its capability of transferring heat. Rapidly moving the human body to make it stronger or better at doing something. This is called physical exercise. A healthy diet should include seafoods such as salmon, tuna, and trout, and shellfish such as crab, mussels, and oysters. Seafood has protein, minerals, and omega-3 fatty acids, which are heart healthy. Basic nutrition should contain balanced amounts of macronutrients for energy. Carbohydrates are one of the 3 macronutrients in the human diet. Fat and protein are the other 2. A healthy diet can replace dieting for weight loss. Eating healthy along with physical exercise and practicing moderation can lead to better health in the long run. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you definitely enjoy this one. See you in the next video.